Welcome to FlowPath, the award-winning CMMS platform that's transforming facility management with smarter, faster, and easier maintenance solutions. Our latest innovation, FlowPath's AI Assistant, is revolutionizing workflows. Designed for school districts, universities, and commercial multi-site operations, it provides proactive solutions to your biggest challenges. Keeping up with tight budgets, siloed communication, growing backlogs, and optimizing preventive maintenance. FlowPath's indispensable AI assistant provides work order insights for instant visibility into your operations, repair versus replace analysis for informed, cost-effective decisions, custom dashboards tailored to your unique needs, voice-to-text capability for seamless updates from the field, alerts and high-level visibility to monitor daily operations, asset creation and enrichment to maximize performance. Schedule a demo today to see how FlowPath can transform and simplify your operations, making your team more efficient and focused.